If you're experiencing login issues with Synchrony Financial, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credential. Double check that you're entering the correct username and password. Pay attention to capitalization and any special characters. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as stored data can sometimes interfere with the login process. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRAP to monitor your account 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in elite databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you're still unable to log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Synchrony Financial's customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot further or resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.